Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings on the Flash Party game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Flash Party game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, from the main menu, if you wish to change your control settings, then just click on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here you can click on settings, and now within the controls option, you will see the control mode option. Just click on whichever input is selected, and now this will show you all of the buttons that are assigned to your keyboard. You can also click on joystick mode in order to redefine the controls within your joystick. Now just click on whichever control you wish to reassign, and when you are prompted to press your desired button, just press this desired new key. You can follow this step and remap all of your buttons within your game. After redefining all of your buttons, go back and your changes will be saved. You can now continue to play your game with your customized controls right away. And if at any point you wish to switch it once again, you can go back to the gear icon, and from the settings, inside your chosen input, you can once again redefine your controls or go into the default settings. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your controls on the Flash Party game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.